Hello children, how are you? I hope everybody fine at your home. Last videos, that is video number 2 and 3, we discussed the term, first term syllabus and chapter 16 representing 3D in 2D. I given some task. I hope everybody done and understood the chapter clearly. Today I will discuss the chapter 20, that is probability. Before starting the chapter, you note down the chapters in this order. First chapter 16, after 20 chapter 19, 10, 4, 1 and last 13. This order only I will finish each chapter. Okay, why I given this order? Because when I will finish this, already I finished 16 chapter. Now I am starting 20 chapter entirely day-to-day life related concepts only, so you can understand very easily. But chapter 19 onwards, you already studied in previous classes like 6th class, 5th class, some concepts you already studied. Before starting this 19th chapter, you have to preview that concept so that you can understand this chapter 19 very easily. Before my presentation, you have to review that one, whatever you studied, the previous class related to the new chapters. Okay, children? So, today we will start chapter number, which is chapter today? 20 chapter probability. Clear? Now, what is probability? First, you have to understand the chapter probability. What is meant by probability? Probability is a branch of mathematics that deals with calculating likelihood of a given event occurrence. It is a measure of uncertainty in a everyday life. We come across statements such as chances of price of petrol will go up are high, most probability it will cloud today. I doubt that she will win the game. The words chances, most probably, doubt, etc. show probability, uncertainty of occurrence of an event. See children, sometime when you are get ready for the school, seeing cloudy weather, then you will ask your mama whether rain comes or not. Mama will give reply, perhaps. Most probably the rain will come. Otherwise, mama will say rare chance only, child. Okay, so instead of probability, you are using chances. But this word is every day related with you. Okay, now terms in this chapter, probability chapter, what are the terms? See, if today is Thursday, then tomorrow will be Friday. It is certainly a true statement. That certainty is there. That is certain it will be. After Thursday, Friday it will be. Now, if today is Monday, then yesterday was Saturday. It is impossible because today Monday, then yesterday will be Sunday, not a Saturday. That is impossible. If it snows on Tuesday in Srinagar in October, then it will also snows for the next 2-3 days. It is unlikely to happen since it is not a winter season. Not winter season, so it is unlikely to happen. It is not a certain event. It will snow in Srinagar in April. April is not a winter season, so it is also unlikely. If it rains on 16th June in Delhi, then 19th June will be sunny day. It also will be unlikely because it is not a certain. It is not a sure event. Like that, it will rain continuously for a week in July in North India. It is also unlikely to rain because that depending upon the weather in July in North India, it will rain. That also unlikely happening. If a coin is thrown, then I will get a tail. It is even chance because if a coin tossing, you will get a tail, other you will get a head. That is even half of chance only. That is called half of chance. We are telling even chances. Okay, children, that is called even chances. Again, little bit clearly I will tell. See here, even chances happening and not happening of an event are same. That means happening and not happening. Just now I given an example that tossing a coin. Tossing a coin, given getting a head, yeah, getting a tail. That is half chance only, 2 chances only. A experiment outcomes 2 only. That will say that even chances. Happening and not happening, that is half chance, that is called even chances. Sure chance, that you know very well what is sure. Sure meaning that surely happen. Getting a head or tail when throwing a coin, that is surely. Coin having 2 faces only, 1 head and 1 tail. If you toss a coin, that sure chance only you will get a tail, yeah, head. That is called sure, yeah, certain chance. Impossible chance. Impossible chance meaning tossing a die. If we are tossing a die, getting 7 upside of the die, that is impossible. A die having only 6 digits, 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 face, so 6 dots only. There are 7 getting, that is impossible. That is called impossible chance. Otherwise, no chance. Good chance meaning more likely to happen than not to happen. Good chance. Good chance, and poor chance meaning less likely to happen than not happen. That is called a poor chance. Good chance. A good chance example. You can say, we will discuss the exercise. Through exercise you can understand very clearly. Okay. See, exercise 20.1 you take. Exercise 20.1. You have to say which chance, even, good, sure, poor, yeah, no chance. Okay. She throws a tail with a coin. Tail with a coin. Now only I explain coin having 2 surface, tail, yeah, head. That is half chance. Whether tail, yeah, head. That is even 2 chances only. That is called a even. 2 outcomes, that is even chances. India will win the match. Here also win or lose. 2 outcomes only. So that is called even chances. It will not rain for 12 months, no rain. That is, we can't say impossible. Poor chance. It can't be occur. इसलिए poor chance. She will throw a 3 with a die. The die having 6 numbers are there. So 3 getting upside. That also very rarely only. That is called a poor chance. My birthday falls on 13th June this year. So next year also 13th June only, but here given 13th May. That is no chance. This is impossible. If you work hard, you will pass the exam. That is a proverb. If you work hard, you will get good mark. You will get passing mark. That is a good chance. Today is 15th July. Tomorrow will be 16th. That is surely occurring. The newly born baby will be girl. 2 outcomes only, a girl, yeah, a boy. That is called even 2 outcomes, that is even chance. It will rain today. It's also even because it will rain today. Maybe rain, yeah, may not be rainy. That is 2 outcome, that is called even chance. 100 people can fit into a car. That you know, that is impossible. That is no chance or impossible. I will buy a packet of potato chips this week. That is good chance. Most probably you can bring, that is good chance. We can draw a triangle whose angle add up to 180 degree. That you know very well. When you draw a triangle, you will get a sum of 3 angles is 180 degree. Otherwise that is not a triangle. So 180 degree triangle, that is sure. 2 parallel lines intersect at a point. That also correct only. If non-parallel, surely intersect. 3 lines intersect at 4 points. That is impossible chance. Throwing an odd number on a die. Odd number and even number, both are same number of numbers are there. Otherwise you can write the die having how many numbers, children? Die having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Prime numbers. Which are prime numbers? Prime numbers are, which are the prime numbers? 2, 3 and 5. Odd numbers. Which are odd numbers? 1, 3, 5. Even numbers. Which are even numbers? Even numbers are 2, 4, 6. Now your question, what is your question? Throwing an odd number. Odd number. Which are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5. How many numbers are there? 3 numbers. Odd numbers you are getting. Okay. If odd number not getting, then what are the numbers you can get it? Even numbers. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. This also 3 only. That meaning 3 numbers odd or 3 numbers even you can get. One of the even number, yeah, one of the odd number. Both having outcomes 3, 3 only. So it is called an even chances. Clear? Odd numbers how many? 1, 2, 3 odd numbers. Otherwise, if you are not getting odd numbers, you will get an even number. How many even numbers are there? That also 3 only. One of the in this number you will get. That means 3. Here also 3. Half chance. So this type of we are telling even chances. I hope everybody understood this word, this exercise along with that concept, definitions, and or you go through the exercise and whatever the concept we discussed already given. See, no chance here, one number line given, and the chances according to chance they represented on the number line. You see here 0 to 1. Chances are 0 to 1. 0 to 1. 0 and half in between 1 by 4th chance. That meaning poor chance or even less occurring. That is called a poor chance. If half chances are there, that is called a even chance. If more than half chances are there, that is called a good chance. Fully happening, that certain thing is happening, that is called a sure chance. Understand everybody? Okay children, go through this concept and exercise. Next video I will discuss about the exercise number 20.2.